CA Ravneet Kaur, and in today's video we will be discussing about CUET exam. If you are in plus 1 or plus 2, or if you are going to clear your plus 2 in this session, this video is for you. So what is CUET? CUET is a common entrance exam if you want to take admission in top universities like DU, many central universities and many other universities. It is a common entrance admission exam that you have to appear for and clear that exam in order to take admission in topmost universities of India. So we will be discussing about CUET preparation strategy in this video. Let's begin. First of all, what are the best CUET subject combination for commerce students? Let's see. If you are planning to pursue BCom or BCom honors, then your subject combination should be English should be your language subject, domain subject should be accountancy, business studies, economics, and optional is maths. But let me tell you one thing. The top universities like DU often prefer maths for BCom honors. If you are planning for BCom honors, then you should have maths as an optional subject there, right? If you are planning for BBA, BMS, management courses, then language should be English. Your domain subject should be business studies, economics. If it is available there, economic subject is available, and your general test will be, it is very important, general test is very important, reasoning, quant and GK, general knowledge, right? If you are planning for BCom economics honors, then language should be English and domain should be mathematics. Compulsory for top colleges means if you are planning for BA economics honors, maths should be compulsory, is compulsory for top colleges, and next subject is economics. So for BCA, data or finance analytics, language is English and domain. Next, what should be your preparation strategy for the CUET exam? Now, you should go through your NCERT books of class 12 thoroughly, and you should practice. Next step is practice MCQ questions. Solve previous year CUET sample papers available in the market, and also for English preparation, you should focus on reading comprehension, vocabulary, basic grammar should be also focused. Now next is journal test. If you have opted for journal test, then you should know about the current affairs of last 6 to 8 months, and basic quant should be clear till class 10 level, and logical reasoning, you should practice about logical reasoning. And the next is smart strategy should be, you should choose only the required subject. You should not be overburdened with unnecessary subject combinations, right? Now what should be the next slide? Next slide is top colleges through CUET for commerce. You can take the screenshot of this slide also. For Delhi University, top choices में आगे Delhi University, Shri Ram College of Commerce, Hindu College, Hansraj College. All these are the list of the colleges, and if you want to take admission in these colleges or universities, then you should clear the CUET exam. Now next is, if you want to take admission in BCom honors and top DU colleges, your score should be in between 720 to 780. And next is BCom. If you have not cleared, if your marks is not in this window, then next good colleges, and you want to pursue BCom, next good college you should score 650 plus marks. And for BBA, BMS, your marks should be 6 to 700 score or 700 plus. And for BE Economics Honors, 700 plus with math. If you want to have help regarding choosing the subject combination for CUET, or if you want to join coaching for plus 1 and plus 2 so that you can get the guidance regarding CUET along with your plus 1 and plus 2, you can reach to us at our institute, Education Scare, SCO 101, Urban Estate Degree Phase 1, Ludhiana. Thank you.